How to change language on Axe app. Hey guys, in today's quick tutorial, we are going to learn how we can change the language on the Axe app easily. So let's get started without any delay. First, we open up the Axe app on our phone, and once we open it up, we can look out for our profile picture or the menu option in the top left. And once we have selected it, the menu appears. We can scroll down and tap on the option called Settings and Support and select Settings and Privacy. And after we have selected settings and privacy, we can go to the option for accessibility display in languages. You can scroll down and find that option in the second last and tap on it and select languages option. After we have done so, we can tap on the option called display language. Otherwise, we can directly go ahead and select up a new language. So you can select up a language and tap on next that you would like to have displayed. We can tap on search language and go ahead and search for the language that you would like to display and go ahead and find it up. Once you find it, you can just go and tap on the display language that you would like to display and tap on the next option and confirm of the change. Once confirmed, we can close the application completely and then again reopen the application so the changes fully apply. And that's it. You just need to go over and follow the method. You can just go over and do so, and that's how we change the language on Axe application in just a few steps. You can also change content languages separately so that your feed shows posts in different languages. But for now, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.